Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol POTN. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like through this time frame, think it's a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I did this analysis yesterday, and that is where this red line comes into play because it's going to play a very important role here. But the very powerful way that the 30-minute can help us out at this point in time is in just helping us answer a very logical question. And that question revolves around the fact that today the price made a very nice bounce. I mean, when you consider where the price was at its low points yesterday, and then you look at where the price closed today, any rational person is say, yeah, the bulls have definitely made a nice move. But that leads to the very valid question now of, but is there any sort of true power behind this price movement? Is there any sort of genuine strength, or is this just some sort of knee-jerk reaction, dead cat bounce type move? I have no idea, but like I said, by using charts, we can make answering that question very straightforward, and it all revolves around this red line here at 36 cents, and this is all based off a foundational rule in charting, which states when levels of resistance are broken and closed above, you want to see them act as support. Especially in this case, why do we want to see it act as support? Well, hopefully we can all agree on the logic that price movements with genuine strength are going to progress forward. The price is not going to go back to where it was. I'm assuming you're saying, hey, thanks, Captain Obvious. Of course, if a price movement has genuine strength, it's not going to go back to where it was. That would be a contradiction. Exactly. So with that in mind, think about 36 cents. Any sort of closes below it, or worse yet, if the price separates to the downside, what would that be doing to the price? That would literally be putting the price right back inside of this range that it just broke out of. Again, going back, not a sign of true strength. Whereas let's say the price pulls back here, not saying it will, but just for example's sake, behaves in that manner and then starts to work its way back upwards. What would you have in this situation here? Well, you'd have a set of lows right there. You'd have this set of lows down there. If you picture each one of these as stair steps, well, now you have stair steps progressing in the upwards direction, and that's the name of the game. That's what a truly strong move is going to do over time. It's going to make progress forward. And in this situation, I'm defining and quantifying that phrase, make progress, as 36 cents. So no doubt about it, very nice move today. Now it's just a matter of building upon this momentum, and we now know how to define quote-unquote build. You want to make progress, and make progress meaning staying above 36 cents. So we'll see if the bulls can get the job done or not. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.